Welcome back everyone to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. I am Palak and today we are going to solve the question string task which is from Codeforces beta round 89. So the problem statement states that Petea has to attend programming lessons. On the first day, his task was to write a simple program. The program was supposed to do the following in the given string consisting of uppercase and lowercase Latin letters. It's the task we have to perform in the string is delete all the vowels, insert a character dot before each consonant, and replace all the uppercase consonants with corresponding lowercase ones. Okay, the vowels mentioned in that question is A, O, Y, E, U, and I. I know that Y is not a vowel, but we have to move according to the problem statement provided to us. So the program input is exactly one string. It should return the output as a single string, resulting after the program processing the initial string. So let's see the input for this question. The first line should be an input string, which is between 1 to 100, and we have to output the resulting string. So let's try to understand what the question is saying to us. So the question is saying that we have to remove all the vowels from it and we have to insert a character dot before each consonant. Also, we have to create all the lowercase letters if they are uppercase in the mentioned test case. So let's take an example of tour. So we can say that T is a consonant, we'll write T. O and U both are vowel, so we will not write it, and R is a consonant, then we will write it. Since there are no uppercase letters here, then we do not have to worry about that case, and then we inserted dot before each of them. Okay, imagine if the test case was this T O U R, where T, U, and R in uppercase. Then we would have created the consonants T and R both in lowercase. We have ignored O and U since they are vowels, and then we have inserted dot before consonants. Okay, so for the game plan, how we are going to approach this question. So the best way to create or delete or insert something in a string is that you create a dummy string. So for the string S, I have created a dummy string which is A. So what do we do is for every test case, we just copy or delete the values that we want in our answer, and then we output the dummy string as our answer. This is the easiest way. So what do we want is the example is tool. So we want T, since it's a consonant, we'll write T. We want O, we don't, so we'll ignore it. We want U, we don't, so we'll not copy it to the dummy string. We want R, so we'll copy it into the dummy string, okay? And then we'll insert the dot characters before each of the consonants, and then this resultant string will output this resultant string. So let's see the code for this question, which is really simple. Okay, so in this program, what I have done is I have taken two strings, one is S, another is K. So S is the required string, and I have created a dummy string which is K. So I'll check for every consonants because for every consonant only we have to insert the dot character and we have to change the consonant from uppercase to lowercase if required. So I have created a loop because I want to iterate to every character of the string. So I have taken the loop from I is equals to 0 to I less than s dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so I have written a condition for all the consonants that the character of I string first digit is not equals to small a, e, I, o, and u. Same for the uppercase a, e, I, o, and u. Then what do we want? Then if it is not true, then obviously all the characters are consonant. Then we have to insert a dot before each of them and also change all the uppercase to the lowercase. Okay, then I just output the dummy string. And that is our answer. It's a very simple code. You just have to create a dummy string and then you have to add the dot character before each consonant if it is a consonant, and then you have to change it to the lower one. If imagine if there was a U character, then it will come here. It will pass not this case. It will just like fail this case that U is not equal to U. Then it will just come out of the loop and no answer will be displayed. Then you don't need to delete anything. It will just be out of the loop. So let's submit this question and see if it's right or not. Oh, sorry. So we can see the solution is accepted. So it's the right solution. Thank you for joining in, everybody.